So, ma'am, since we are meeting for the first time, so would you please introduce yourself?
Yes. My name is Seema. I'm homemaker. I live in Kanpur, UP. I have done PG post graduation. I was teacher 10 years ago, but I left the journey due to some reason. And nowadays, I am uploading video. We can say I'm a YouTuber. Okay, I have just started the journey. And first, I focus on my speaking skill. I want to get knowledge and this type of activity I want to do in my life. Okay. And if you want to know about my hobby, there's so many hobby I have: listening and reading book and dancing, humming song, and going outside for visit anywhere, hill area. This type of, yeah. That's all about myself. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. So, shall I introduce myself too?
Yeah, yeah. I want to know.
My name is Season. I am from Ambedkar Nagar, UP, and my hobbies are playing badminton, reading English books, watching English cartoons, and talking to different people like this. And apart from this, if I talk about my education, so I am postgraduate in English, and I have learned British and American English from foreign teachers. So it is my summarized introduction.
Wow, you have so much knowledge. Okay, and now you are a student of post graduation.
No, no, no. I have completed it.
Okay, you have completed. Okay, which
Yes.
type of English? English, the two type, grammar, literature, and grammar.
Sorry?
Two type of English in post graduation, literature or grammar.
Literature, literature.
Literature. Yeah, I have done literature. We can say if you have a knowledge of grammar, then you don't need to learn more and more things. Already you have done everything. Hmm?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So you
That,
have done post graduation in English.
yes, sir. It's very long time. Yeah.
Okay. It means you have studied the same kind of things that I have studied.
Yeah, we are sailor of same boat, huh? Not now, we can say not. We have a lot of difference. Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Then,
So, ma'am, when did you start learning English?
yeah, actually, I started the journey before 6 months. Okay. And before 6 months, I thought I should join my school again. Okay. And I went my children's school. Then after going there, then I saw children student. They spoke better than me, and then I felt shy. Then I thought after coming out, then I thought I have to learn English. This English level is not enough up to the mark. Okay, if a student speak better than me, then how can I am teacher? Okay,
Yes.
then yeah, then I used to talk with my daughter. My daughter she's in seventh class. Okay, and at but now my daughter said, "Mama, your level is good. Now you can join my school." But nowadays I started the journey. We can say I teach some students at home spoken English. They, they don't know anything in a grammar. Then I try to teach because while teaching I want to grab from them knowledge. Okay, then this type of thinking I did in my life, and I faced so many problems. We can say English, spoken English is not a piece of cake. After learning grammar, if we think we able to speak, no, there's so many rule in a grammar. Then we have to learn. If we are YouTuber, if we are teacher, then we have to learn so many things in a grammar. Then we able to speak in front of any person. Okay, then we able to teach some student. And nowadays I'm doing like that. Mm. So, okay,
Actually, someone was trying to call me. That's why.
okay, okay. Hmm.
Yeah, correct. So, as you said, ma'am, that it is very important for us to learn English because even children they start speaking English better than us, right?
Yeah. Yeah, actually, they have environment. Nowadays, if you get uh, make them admission in a English medium school, okay, then they have an environment. They don't need to any partner, okay, because they have a guidance of teacher, and every day they have to speak. Actually, on 25 December, on Christmas Day, my daughter spoke on the stage. It was
Oh,
very fantastic. Yeah, then after seeing, I felt very glad because uh, she also doing practice of this language. Yeah, that is.
yeah, and normally we see this thing that children, even the people who are of our age, they cannot speak on the stage, right?
Mhm.
Kind of fear is there inside us.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
if our children are doing that, it's really great.
Okay, have you spoke on the stage?
Yeah, yeah, I have done it.
Okay, you are good speaker, but I didn't to speak on the stage because I have a lack of knowledge and I have a lack of speaking. We can say nowadays I am doing practice. Within 6 months, I started okay, say for 6 months. Now I feel कि I have a little bit confidence. I need more confidence. That's why I'm learning. Whenever I get time, then I connect with the person for getting a new thing.
Yeah, yeah. Whenever we talk to someone at that time, we get new kind of things. We come to know about their custom, tradition, and different kind of things from different area.
Yeah, actually behind you, there's so many animals, two animals I can see, and
Yeah,
beautiful nature I can see.
this place actually, yeah, a lot of buffaloes are here, but this time they cannot be seen. And river, this river.
Yeah,
Don't
we
think
also. There are so many things. I want to go there, this type of place.
even she is very peaceful, ma'am.
Mhm.
Even
Okay,
like to come, yeah, it is really very pleasant.
yeah, peace of mind. Okay, this nature is near your house.
No, no, it's a bit far from my hostel. Actually, I live in the hostel, so it is a bit far from there.
Okay, hostel. What do you do in a hostel?
Before some time, I was busy in my studies, but even at this time, I have to start teaching the students spoken English, how to speak English, especially foreign English, like when Americans speak and Americans
Okay,
speak and Britishers, Portuguese, Spanish, French, German. Whenever they speak English, in which way they speak and what kind of differences are there that we cannot understand normally.
wow. Okay, you know everything. How to speak American language, how to speak Britain language. You know everything, huh?
Actually, ma'am, I think it is very important for us, especially if we are teachers, so we should know these things so that we can teach our students and they may not face these kind of problems. If they have to go to abroad, foreign, at that time, they will not have to face any kind of problem in understanding foreigners. If we are going to tell them that the people from this special country, from this specific country, from this specific area, speak in this way, like Americans speak in a different way. If they say something, they will
Mhm,
say, may I tell you a
mhm,
sentence? How they speak.
mhm, mhm.
I spent my day in learning new computer software. I spent my day in learning new computer software. This is a way of speaking in which Americans speak. And Britishers, I spent my day in learning new computer software. Like this.
Wow.
In the same way, there are
Yeah,
many.
yeah, it's a super. I want to know this type of language. Please, you help me on this language, okay?
Yeah, if you have
Mm.
any problem, I can tell you. And even I have a channel where I upload these kind of videos. So
Mhm, mhm.
there you can watch the videos how Portuguese people speak. I mean the people from Portugal
Oh,
and how
yeah.
the people from Germany how they speak, what kind of mistakes they make while speaking English, how Chinese
Mhm.
speak, Japanese, all
Okay.
this. Actually,
Yeah.
ma'am, I learned all these things from my American teacher.
Okay. Have you taken class from
Yeah.
Japanese?
No, I did not take any kind of subscription, but I watched some videos of the teacher, and after that, the teacher said that you should try to buy some books. So I bought the books of that teacher, and after that, I studied all the things, dictionaries and books. So from there, I learned. And whenever I faced some problems, whenever I had some problems, at that time I watched the videos of that teacher. That's it.
Hmm. Yeah, very nice. So you have so much knowledge.
Yeah.
Okay, then.
Otherwise, before that, it was not possible for me to understand Americans because their accent is completely different.
Okay. Okay, how
Yeah.
many students you have?
Well, I have not started yet, but very
Okay.
soon I'm about to start it.
Okay, but you should start. You have a knowledge of this. Hmm.
Yeah, I know things and literature. If we talk about literature, like you, I'm sure you would be aware of, Anglo-Saxon. Anglo-Saxon is Greco-Roman period. Anglo-Saxon is Romantic age, Victorian, all
Mm-hmm.
these things like modern, post-modern, modern age.
Shakespeare's stories.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
Shakespeare and Christopher Marlowe, John Milton.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah, actually, I heard, but it's very long time I did everything. Okay.
maybe you'd
Mm-hmm.
have forgotten these things, but I
Mm-hmm.
like reading things.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
from I can learn some English rules, some English grammar rules, new kind of things,
Mm.
especially related to English.
Okay, so what did you do since starting time? Okay. What did you do for learning this language initially?
What do you want to ask actually?
Actually, since morning, since first day, when you decided for learn this language, I have to speak English. I have to speak English. Then you have a partner. That time you had a partner
In the
for
beginning,
speaking.
no, in the beginning I did not get any partner, but later I got because in the beginning, when I started my journey at that time, I used to live in the village, so it was very tough because in the area we cannot find any kind of partner for speaking English. So at that time, I started learning small sentences from the books, English speaking
Mhm.
books. So I bought the books and I read the sentences. And after that, I used to practice it alone.
Alone.
And
Okay.
yeah, by speaking it,
Mm.
how to speak it. And after that, I
Mhm.
came in contact with some friends from other states. Then I started talking
Okay.
with them.
Yeah. Actually, if we think we make after making sentence, we able to speak English. Okay, and we are not a student. And a student, when we used to go in a or a student school, that time I think we were not taught English language like us,
Yeah,
huh? Like this
only the
time.
only a
Hmm.
subject.
Only a subject. We have to learn this question, then we have to give answer. Now we can see your number. Then we put our copy in Almira. But
Yeah,
now we think it's a language, then we have to learn. Actually, that time we didn't have this type of person who made us understand. The English language is very easy, and you should learn. You should not leave this language. It is very benefit for your future. Then,
yeah,
yeah, now after 10 years, then I realized this language is very helpful. Then we should learn this language. And within 6 months, then I able to speak in front of you. This type of, hmm,
yeah. In the beginning,
yeah.
no one knows this thing that how important it is in future.
Hmm. Actually,
But
we need a partner, and we need that person who motivate us. Hmm.
yeah, and normally we see this thing that even in the schools that are in the village area, rural background, sometimes the teachers who teach us, even they cannot speak proper English.
Yeah. That's why I came. How actually I told you I went my children's school after seeing a student. I didn't say a word to teacher. I want to teach this student. Okay, I didn't say a word. I came here and after coming, then I thought I have to learn English. It's not a piece of cake. And then I try to learn. And now my daughter said, "Mama, now your English is well. Then you can join my school." But I said, ki, no, beta, I want to learn more things. As a teacher, as a YouTuber, we need more thing. Somebody can any random answer, question, then we have to prepare of this.
Yeah,
Hmm.
it's
Yeah.
important for us to be ready from our sides.
Hmm?
It is
Mm-hmm.
important for us to have the knowledge of these things.
Your voice is not coming.
I said it is very important for us to have the knowledge of these things.
Yeah, as a YouTuber, as a teacher, we should have knowledge.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. Because
And we
anyone can any
Mhm.
question at any time.
Yeah, and we can say about a spoken English teacher, then we should be up to the mark on this language.
Yeah,
Anybody can ask any random question, then we should be prepared of it. Yeah.
yeah. This is what I think too. And for this, I also try to learn everything. Until now, I think I have covered almost all the things, like grammar, pronunciation. And you know, ma'am, sometimes it is a very big problem, like pronunciation, how to speak the words in the proper way,
No,
right?
actually, I see you are better. Actually, your English is very good. You have a knowledge of American accent and Britain accent. You have so many slangs. Yeah.
This is the beginning of the time.
Yeah, I want to learn so many things from you. Okay, you have to give me time.
Yeah, yeah. You can ask if you have any problem in anything. You can call and ask me.
Okay, okay. Now it's very long time. Hmm?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, it's very nice to meet you. And now we will meet again. Until then, we should take care and have fun, keep learning. Okay, and bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.